Salami, bad brother in a Westmead. Long we a hold it and a Billy Prestige. Boy, happy feel we don't vex G. Hey dog, let me take your tree, you better take it.
Yeah.
Hi guys! It's windy out and we have sun falling like rain. No, this is not water, this is sunlight. What you guys doing? We are on the delivery trail, rain or shine. We're gonna get the items delivered to you at your doorstep. Let that breeze pass. The camera is a one, it's very strong. So come in guys, we're gonna do the delivery. Watch. Artist? Skirt, a big artist? Bad breed. You want to tune now? No.
On somebody's street. All the guys stop it when you see job Westmead. Salami, bad brother in a Westmead. Long we a hold it and a Billy Prestige. Boy, happy feel we don't vex G. Hey dog, let me take your tree, you better take it. Right.
Mad. Mad, my brother, mad. Guys, you see it? You see it? We bring the artist thing up. Hold on, I hear one another. Everything go back door. Go back. Today we not rain, but we still have the work. Man as man. Go back, my brother. Alright, let's up here. Yes, time. Guys, you see it now. We bring the artist come. We don't want the artist going on the water and I can't hear what they're going to mess up in vice. Camera ready. Put the camera on me. Alright. We don't want the artist come out of the house. Stop going, guys, stop going. We don't want the artist to leave the house. We don't want him to mess up the vice. So we bring the item come delivered to you. Guys, there's a link somewhere here. And you hear him tune them bad, don't it? There's a link, click on the link, join us today. We're going to get your item shipped from overseas and delivered to your doorstep. What are you waiting on? Click on the link, alright? Catch you guys later, bye!